Okay then guys, welcome back to a brand new lecture. Now this is where it gets really exciting guys, because we're going to start creating the unlimited shorts using ChatGPT and Canva. So in this lecture, what we're going to do, we're going to run through how to get all the content from ChatGPT, and then over the next couple of lectures we'll look at how to create the shorts in Canva and then upload them onto the platform. So guys, this lecture is all about getting as many facts as possible, so we're going to spend the entire time in ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you how to get the best answers from ChatGPT that you can take going forward. Now I'm going to slow it down so you can really see how I asked ChatGPT, and it's going to be slow enough for you to copy along if you want to. So guys, I'll play a bit of background music in the back just in case it does get a bit boring, because all you're going to do is watch me type on the screen, and obviously I'll talk you through it at the same time. But yeah guys, it's going to be nice and slow just so you can copy through. Anyway, so let's go. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to ask ChatGPT our first prompt. So it's going to go something like this. I want you to come up with some quotes in the following style. I'm going to teach you. And then we're just going to say something like the quotes need to be made up of two parts. So guys, we want these quotes to be made up in two parts. The first part is going to be enticing, it's going to be really intriguing, and then the second part is going to finish it off. So the first part is going to be the hook, and then the second part is going to be the rest of the fact. So we also, after we do this, we also need to show ChatGPT some examples. So example number one, first part is, let's say, if you truly love someone, dot, dot, dot. And then part two is, let's say, you just have to tell them, dot, dot, dot. And then we'd say, do you understand at the end? But let's give another example first. So example two, first part, when you're deeply in love, dot, dot, dot. And then the second part, what we're going to do is just finish it off and say something like, let's say, you just know and it doesn't matter what anybody else thinks. So now ChatGPT should get the gist of exactly what we're doing. So now we're going to say, do you understand? Say yes. And then we'll send it through, and then it should generate some answers for us. Okay, so generating now. Okay, perfect. So it looks like it's providing loads of quotes for us. So just have a quick skim through these in a dance of time, embrace each step, the final. Yeah, okay, that's good. That's good. So now what we're going to do is say, I want these quotes to be about topics such as love, let's say friendship, let's say, and heartbreak, because these are really good, strong topics that really kind of pull on people's notes. And yeah, they perform really well, guys, because everyone goes through love, everyone goes through heartbreak, and it's just, yeah, it's good. It's the best topics to do when it comes to psychological facts. And next, we're going to say the target audience is both male and females in their 20s on YouTube. And what we're going to do, guys, we're going to have to ask ChatGPT to give us some examples in the categories in love, friendship, heartbreak, and romance as well, just so we know that it knows what to do. So let's type the rest of that then and see what we get. Okay, it's love, second part, then friendship, then heartbreak, then romance. It gives us the first and second parts. Okay, good. Yeah, happy with that. Let's have a look. When love leaves you shattered like a glass, gather the pieces for your reflect the stronger soul. In the dance of hearts entwined, every step is seamless. When you find a love that consumes you, you never feel the same. Yeah, these are really good. So just tell ChatGPT, very good. And then we carry on. So now I would like to have the same quotes mentioned to be about, let's say, boys and girls. So we want to categorize them in just boys and girls. This way, if a guy scrolls through a fact that says guy facts and it talks about heartbreak, he might relate to it, and likewise with a girl. So again, like we see here, the first part, when a boy truly loves a girl, and then second part, he'll fill in the rest. So let's see what we can get from here. When a boy truly loves a girl, he'll move mountains to see a smile. In the starlight net. Okay, yeah. That's in the dance of a genuine friendship, a boy and girl create a bond that defies any boundaries. So yeah, these are really good. They're heartbreak, romance, love. So it's all about boys and girls, and it's split into topics such as heartbreak, romance, love, and it resonates with people on YouTube in their 20s. So let's say, okay, good. That's really good. Now, guys, I want them to categorize these in an Excel style format. Now, ChatGPT will actually do the hard work for us and put this all in a nice table that we can just copy from ChatGPT to Excel. So again, we just got to break it down for us. So theme, you can choose a theme. I'll let them randomize between boy facts, girl facts, or friendship. Then we've got part one. Here you put the first part, and then part two is obviously where you put the second part. So now, guys, I've told ChatGPT exactly how I'd like the table filled out, and hopefully, once you click enter, it will now give us a really nice Excel style format. And let's have a look. Oh yeah, perfect. Yeah, that's absolutely fine. Okay, yeah, really good. So love, friendship, heart rate, romance, that's fine. Now we just need to make sure we only use the themes boy facts, girl facts, and friendship facts. So we don't want the other ones, we just want to be themes in boys, girls, and friendship facts, because they're the kind of three that people most relate to. Okay, perfect. So yeah, still got romance, still got love, still got heartbreak, and it's just in boy facts and friendship facts. But I guess let's have, I want some more heartbreak and love based quotes in here as well, because again, guys, heartbreak and love is the two main things that everyone really emotionally react to. And as we know, to go viral, you need an emotional reaction, so we need as many of them as possible. Okay, again, so it's just brought up different themes. So it's got the heartbreak theme in there and love theme in there. So what we need to do is just get rid of those and say, please only use themes, boy facts and girl facts and friendship facts. And it says apologies. Okay, exactly, yeah. So themes on the left hand side now, it's just boy, friendship, girl. Okay, perfect. Yeah, so what we're going to do now, guys, it looks like it's absolutely fine. It looks like it understands. So please do 30 more. There we go. Obviously, there's going to be a little error. Let's just make sure. Please do this in the Excel style format as above. Let's see. Okay, perfect. Yeah, so sometimes you just need to give ChatGPT a little nudge. Sometimes I get a little bit wrong, but there we go. So there is 30 facts there. Now what we're going to do, guys, we're just going to ask him for 30 more. Sometimes you can ask him for more than 30, never more than 50, but I like to kind of just go to 30 at a time. That way ChatGPT runs efficiently and smoothly. So if you just do 3 lots of 30, as we've got here, like, okay, now please do 30 more. And then we're just going to have 3 answers of 3 lots of 30. And then what we'll do after this, guys, if they're okay, we'll just double check them all. Then we'll copy them over to Excel. So let's have a look. Okay then, so let's have a scroll up. Okay, a boy's sincerity is an anchor, keeping their connection steadfast in any storm. A girl spreads like the wildfire, engulfing arts. Girls encourage roars like thunder. A boy's honesty is a rare gem. Yeah, these are really good, guys. I'm really liking these so far. Let's have a look at some more. Let's go all the way to the top. Yeah, good. So, yeah, okay, they're really good. I'm really liking these. A boy and a girl laughing together. In the tapestry, courage. A girl's tears carry a story. Okay, these are really engaging. They're really kind of, they pull on the heartstrings. Yeah, I'm really happy with these. So what we're going to do now is get our Excel sheet open, and basically, guys, just copy and paste. So if we scroll all the way down here, it's really annoying to scroll on ChatGPT. So go to the bottom there, copy, open Excel up, and paste. That literally, that is what it is, guys. So go back to ChatGPT and copy all them now. Okay, so now we've got 90 in there. We'll just open these up here. Okay, guys, so as you can see, we've got all these boy facts, friendship facts, girl facts. We've got 90 of these now. So this is 90 different lots of shorts, which is amazing, guys. That took us, I know we took a while, guys, because I was trying to explain it. That wasn't long at all. Now, great job, guys. What we're going to do next, we're going to go into Canva and we're going to make 90 shorts out of these, and it won't take us long at all. So thanks very much for listening.